Hi guys, we're going to be talking about perimeter. A perimeter, you're going to find it on page 701, and is the distance around a figure, okay? This is a perimeter. This formula is an equation that uses symbols to relate two or more quantities. That's a formula. So they give you a formula and you plug it in, okay? And the number of the squares right here, let's see if you can see it right here. It says the number of square units needed to cover a region, it's an area. So right here, if you count it on your paper, I'm trying to see, there are 9 of them. So 9 square units. Now, pull out the page 704 from your book, okay? The one that I showed you before is page 701, okay? So this one, you're going to pull it out and you're going to find here, and it says perimeter is the distance around a figure. What formula can you use to find the perimeter of any rectangle? What is the perimeter of the rectangle below? So the formula is what you plug in, okay? So over here, it says opposite sides of a rectangle are the same length. Use length, and then they give you the little L, okay? If you look at it right there, right here. It says use the L for length, and width is for the W to write a formula for the perimeter of any rectangle. So perimeter, meaning P, equals to length plus width plus length plus width, which is right here, okay? Length plus width plus length plus width. That's the perimeter. Or perimeter is length plus length, meaning length plus length plus width plus width, okay? Or perimeter equals to 2 times length, okay? So you find the length and you multiply it by 2 plus 2 times the width, and that's your perimeter. It says use the formula to find the perimeter of the rectangle above. So you have 22 feet, that's the length, 9 feet, that's the width. So you can use any of these formulas, okay? So you say perimeter 2 times 22, right here, 2 times 22, and 2 times 9. And then you come up with the perimeter. This one says is guided practice, okay? So this is page 705. Right there, 705, okay? And it's topic 13, lesson 1. So in this one, it says to use a formula to find the perimeter, but they want you to use the estimation to check your answers for reasonableness. So it has to make sense, okay? So in here, the perimeter is 2 times 8 and then 2 times 6. So 4 times 8 equals 32, okay? Pause the video and write it down. Okay, so over here, I did perimeter 2 times 8. This is the length and the width. And 2 times 8 equals 32. Or you can say 4 times 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 8 equals 32. On the second one is 4 plus 4. Okay, so 2 times 4. And then the length, 2 times 9, 1 and 2. The perimeter is 2 times 9 equals 18 plus 8, because it's 2 times 4 equals 8, equals 36, okay? So on your own, go ahead and do number 3, number 4, number 7, and number 8. Once you're done, go ahead and flip the page to page 706, okay? And you're gonna look for number 11. And don't forget that every time you see the word difference, that means you take away, or it's a subtraction. And then on this one, it says use a sentence strip, a strip diagram, and then it's going to tell you what to do over here. Let me know if you have any questions, okay?